Hey, what's up, everyone? RC Poetic Soul coming at you. It's been a minute. Hope everybody doing good out there. Another cold day where I am. Want to take a second to please ask you guys to like this video and please subscribe to the channel. And you know what it is. We're going to get down to it. Is the Popeyes Chicken Sandwich the new Jordans? Are they? Is the new Popeyes Chicken Sandwich the new J's? The new starter coat? That's what I want to know. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. And with that said, we're going to watch something before I get into this. So, watch this.
We have been able to determine that preliminarily that this is related to the release of the sandwich here at this restaurant. That this individual was in line, a line specifically for the sale of the sandwich when another customer and he got into an altercation, and that ended with the victim being stabbed outside of the business. Knowing these details and knowing what happened here and knowing that a life was taken, it is hard to put into words. I can't find the right words to describe what this man did.
So, there was like 30 seconds left, but you guys know what it is. It was a Popeyes chicken stabbing over a chicken sandwich. Somebody cut in line. That's what happened. And somebody died over this highly acclaimed that has everybody going crazy, insane over Popeye chicken sandwich. It has become utterly ridiculous. I personally like Popeyes. I just like the chicken. I can make my own chicken sandwich. I can actually make my own chicken too. I won't be going to Popeyes until this dies down. I refuse. I take my money to KFC. I'm not a big Chick-fil-A fan, but hell, I'll try Chick-fil-A. This is ridiculous. I'm not gonna deal with the ratchetness, the ghetto, the just nonsensical. It's not nonsensical. Excuse me, my nonsensical people. Can't get my words out. Can't say what I want. But this is asinine. I mean, if I was to go into this into detail, it's not worth it. You've just thrown your life away because someone got in front of you in line. I was at a chicken restaurant and somebody got in front of me and I just let it go. It's not worth it. People live to not just fight another day, but live to be wiser another day. You just disregard for a human being's life over some damn chicken sandwich. How about I make my own chicken sandwich? How about I make you a chicken sandwich that you don't have to go through the struggle in this problem where you gotta go through a fight and long lines and customers and die for some damn chicken sandwich. I normally get the Tuesday special, 2 pieces, and I won't be doing that anymore. Popeyes might not. I mean, they don't care. This is popular for them, but I'm not gonna deal with no long lines. You know, it's good, but it ain't that good. It ain't good for you. So, you know, this is just ridiculous that a man died. You know, you couldn't just tell him to get your A back in line. The man pulled out a knife and stabbed him. So, you know what? He's going to spend the rest of his free days sitting in jail, eating a jailbroken chicken sandwich. If that, and it's not going to be chicken. You know, it's going to be some variation of something like it. So he hasn't been caught that I know of, but he's going to get caught. And that's kind of what that little clip video was talking about, what was left of the video. But, I mean, it's just not worth it, guys. Yeah. I want to say I'm in disbelief, but, you know, people been acting crazy for this sandwich. So when you know, we being robotic Reggies. You know, when I say we being robot Reggies, I mean, a lot of us are just, you know, flocking to this like a robot. Like, you know, we don't have a mind of our own. I haven't never tried it, and I probably won't. You know, I don't follow trends. Just because if everyone jumps off a damn bridge, are you going to follow along? If everyone says, forget this, I'm finna jump in front of a big rig, you know, a big ass truck, are you going to? No. So, and then for the killer, you got that much hatred, that much frenetic hate in your heart, hatred, and you was pumping that frenetically. You can't, if you don't want to let him go, I mean, maybe you say a few words to him, but you take his life. Well, enjoy your next 4 or 5 decades in jail, and I hope this chicken sandwich was worth it. You know, people are going crazy over this sandwich, and it's just, let's go to Walmart, Kroger, Target, let's buy a pack of hamburger buns and some mayo, some pickles, nice big thick cut of chicken breast. I promise you, I'll hook it up for you. It'll be better than Popeyes, and you won't have to die over it. It's just ridiculous. People are easily combative. You know, anger is pumping off the charts. People are just ready to snap, ready to go crazy. Man, it's just not worth it. End of the day, it's ridiculous. And we just falling in line. We're clucking for some chicken. You know, we're corporate chicken cluckers at this point, you know. And so, if this is how the way of fast food is going to go, if everybody's going to open up the new chicken sandwich, the new chicken wing, see, everything else ain't getting no love like this chicken sandwich. Something about this chicken sandwich, you know, it's got plantation written on it or something, you know. I don't know, but people are ridiculous, and the value of human life has been disregarded. And there's no way to reason about this. It's just sad, man. It's just tragic. And I, hope they catch this guy, and, he suffers dramatically and for a very long time, because it ain't nothing but a damn chicken sandwich. That's why I stayed away, and I will continue to stay away. Like I said, I'm going to cook myself a chicken sandwich, or I'm going to take myself to KFC or Chick-fil-A, and I won't have to worry about nobody being over there. If Chick-fil-A got a crowd for their chicken sandwiches too, I won't go there either. I don't like crowds. Never have, never did. So, is some food worth dying for? I don't think so. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment, and before I go, to drive home on the title a little bit, is this chicken sandwich, what should I say, is this chicken sandwich the new J's? Is it? Remember how people was dying over Michael Jordan tennis shoes? People dying for some food, at least the shoes. I won't justify murder. No, I won't. But at least shoes last for a while. The hell you gonna do with a chicken sandwich? You killed this man over a damn chicken sandwich. Somebody who does that will kill over anything. And people say, oh, it's the principle. I think about the consequences now. I'm a forward thinker. I'm not killing somebody over something so small, so microscopic. It's crazy. Anyway, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.